Hi, everyone. I'm so glad you found your way here to get some assistance with our registration site. And if you would like to purchase or renew your membership, I will be presenting my computer screen so you can see the navigation to work online from your own personal computer. Thank you for giving me just a minute as it finishes presenting the screen. Thank you very much. The URL web address for our registration site is caspercollege.augusoft.net. caspercollege.augusoft, which is AUGUSOFT.net. Type that in to your web browser bar. You will be directed to this page. I'm first going to show you how to purchase your membership if you have not been an OLLI member since before 2018, which means you haven't taken any continuing education classes or OLLI classes since the end of 2017. What you will do to purchase your membership on this left-hand side, you'll navigate your cursor down, hover it over the word membership, click on membership, and you will be directed to this page. In the middle of the screen where it says purchase membership, move your cursor, select the down arrow key, and choose where it says Osher Lifelong Learning Institute. You'll see it gives you the price right there for $60. You will click submit, and you will be brought to another screen where you are going to create your student registration profile. You can always move the screen down by moving the navigation bar on the right or using the arrow keys on your own desktop or laptop. There are several bars and rectangles that indicate where information needs to be inputted. Make your username simple. Your first name, your last name, something that you will not forget. I am going to make up a new profile. The password needs to be 8 characters, has to have a number, or more than one, but a number, lowercase, uppercase, and or special character. Has to be a minimum of 8 characters. You will see that you have to type it in twice, and this lets you know if your password has the required elements or not. Identity verification question, you're going to click on the left-hand arrow bar and choose a question that you know the answer to. It gives you several options. I honestly like to use father's middle name because not many people know that answer, honestly. Choose a question, type in your answer, type in your email address. You'll have to retype it. As you can tell, I am using my work email. The membership is populated there. Here's where I got an error dialog box. It says the email addresses do not match. So I made a mistake somewhere. It looks like the only mistake I made was maybe the lowercase of the J. When I hit enter, it wants to make sure that it didn't think I was done with everything else that had to happen. You will fill in basic contact information. Any label that has a red asterisk to the side of it means that that information is required. You will get a dialog box with an error if you do not fill that in. For your address type, choose if you want billing, home, or work, and fill in the appropriate information. To navigate quickly, I like to move my cursor and just click in the box because it's a quicker navigation than just using my arrow keys or this gray navigation bar. Phone number is absolutely required. You can choose you can choose a daytime if you have a home landline. You can choose your cell phone, and you would choose mobile. See where you can choose mobile? I'm honestly just putting my work number in. You can add a secondary phone if you want to. You can see that it's not required. I hope you choose yes, that we can mail you information. Then you will choose continue. This is an API verification system through the US Post Office. They always give their suggested ways of typing in your address. You can tell that it populated the zip +4 automatically. We always choose confirm because it's what the post office recognizes, which I like. Type in your your birth date. This is a required field only because if you are over 60 and you live in Natrona County, you will receive a 70% discount on our community education classes. Not OLLI, but community education. Those classes that are listed in the first part of the catalog, it's the best deal in town. You will click yes or no if you are over 60. Click in the box and choose the county that you live in. You will not fill in the name of a company. This is where we put the name of companies that pay for their employees to get workforce certifications or recertifications. You'll click continue. You may put an alternate first name in here if you wish, and then click submit. Now it's wondering, because my email is already in here as a staff member right here, you can tell it brought up, hey, is there already a profile created for you? There is not. So I'm going to choose create a new profile for me. But if this brings up the exact same information and you've already done this before, you could click this is me, and then we don't have duplicate profiles in our system. I'm going to create a new profile for our training video. You are now at the checkout screen, the shopping cart screen, so to speak. You'll notice that what I just purchased is in the screen at $60. I'm going to click checkout on the bottom, and it takes you to the credit card portal screen. Right now we're using a company called Card Connect. We might have to change to another one. That happens frequently, but it's the same navigation. You type in the 16-digit credit card number, your expiration date, expiration year, the security code, the 3-digit security code on the back. Make sure you click I'm not a robot. If you want an email receipt about the credit card transaction, you can just enter and retype your email address in here if it doesn't populate already, and then you would click submit payment. Now what I'm going to do is show you quickly, if you are already in our system as either a member from 2018 or 2019, and you just haven't had the opportunity to present your to renew your membership yet for 2020, I will show you how to do that. This only will take another couple minutes and then we'll be done. Again, I'm going to present my computer screen to you so you can see what I'm doing. Again, we navigate to the same place, caspercollege.agusoft.net. You've seen this before. You'll see it again. If you're in our system already, you can click on Login. It will take you to this screen. And you've seen this before. It may have been a bit, but you've seen it before. Click on the down arrow and choose Student because that is your profile type as a student. Type in your username and password. I'm typing in a profile of a test student that we have in here. And then you will choose Sign In. This shows you that you've been successful. It will say welcome and your first name. It will say go to my dashboard, which I will do that first just to remind you of different things that you find there. The dashboard has a list of tabs that gives you different information. Shows you the current classes that you may or may not be signed up for, waiting list, transaction is where you find your receipts. You can see there's lots of things going on here. Again, this is for how to renew your membership. Again, you go to the left-hand side, you click on membership, you're brought to the same screen that you just saw in the first couple minutes. Again, you choose the type of membership you want to purchase. You click submit. You're brought to your shopping cart, and it's the same navigation that you just saw. Thank you so much for finding your way here. If you have any questions, our contact information is listed below in the comments. Our registration site web address is also listed in the bottom of the comments. Let us know by contacting us if you have any additional questions. Thank you and have a great day.